Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn 10 lines on my favorite food Maggi. So let's start. I like to eat many varieties of food. But Maggi is my favorite food. It is a spicy food. I like it because it has a different taste. It is available in many varieties. It is a junk food. It is easy to cook, even a small child too. It tastes and smells is wonderful. It is easy to cook within 2 minutes. My all family like it very much. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.